Hello children, I am your Lavanya teacher. Now 4th class mathematics 11th chapter. Which chapter? 11th chapter. Tick tock goes the clock. Tick tock goes the clock. T-I-C-K, tick, T-O-C-K, tuck, G-O-E-S, goes, T-H, da, C-L-O-C-K, clock. Tick tock goes the clock. See here on page number 99, open it children and textbook. See here all of you. How much time does it take for you to draw a flower? So how much time you are taking draw a flower? So how much time do you take to take a bath? So how much time taking you are bathing? How much time do you spend in school? Find out how much time a basket maker takes to make a basket. How much time taking that basket maker making a basket? How much time does a carpenter take to make a chair? How much time does a tailor make a kurta? See here, how much time they are taking? So they are discussing the time. Tick tock goes the clock. See here all of you. Different activities require different amounts of time. So in which, suppose we taking bath, some minutes only. We are drawing flower also. We are taking minutes time. Suppose making a basket, so taking 1 day or 2 days. So making a kurta, so on hours, they are taking hours. Like that, some items where they are using some times only, some different times. Some items making hours, some items making minutes, some items making days, some items require months. So here in which item, so in which thing they are, which time they are using, which time required. So here asking question, activity, which activities require which time. So they are asking here. See here, activities that require a few minutes. So on few minutes to which activities they are required? Taking a bath. So here giving already one example, taking a bath and drinking milk. Drinking milk also we are taking some minutes only. Yes or no? So minutes time only. We are using few minutes time. So drinking milk. Combing hair. Combing hair also we are using few minutes only. Combing hair also we are using few minutes. Eating food. Eating food, hours only eating or minutes or days. So few minutes only we are eating. Eating food. Wearing clothes. Wearing clothes also we are taking few minutes time. Wearing clothes. Wearing clothes also we are using few minutes time. So drawing picture. So a picture drawing also we are taking few minutes. And watering plant. Plants to watering also we are taking few minutes. So on textbook to page number 99 you will write this. Understand? Activities that require a few minutes. Activities that require a few minutes time. In few minutes time to which activities we are doing, which activities to how much time will require. So there only we write. So next one, activities that require hours. Activities that require hours. Seeing here, studying at school. Studying at school, how much time you are studying at school? So hours only. Same like that, hours, which activities you are doing? So that activities we are writing now. Playing at park. Are you playing? Yes. Playing at park. So minutes only you are playing? No, hours only playing. Cooking food. Cooking food. So they are taking hours. Traveling. Traveling also hours. Then writing homework. Writing homeworks also we are taking hours. And washing clothes. Washing clothes we are taking hours. Watching TV. TV also you are watching hours only? Okay, write this. Activities require a few minutes and activities require hours. Then, so next one, activities that require days. Activities that require days. So here before what we are learning? Activities that require a minute, a few minutes and hours. Then activities that require days. So how many days? See here, building a hut. Suppose in a hut building means how much time they are taking? Days. Days they are taking. They are taking days. Making a chair. Making a chair. How much time they are taking? Days. Pottery. They are making parts only. That is called pottery. Writing exams. And celebrating festivals. Celebrating festivals. Traveling also. Sometimes hours only traveling. Sometimes days also. Any long places to be going means days only we are traveling only. Waving threads. So they are making threads only waving. So waving threads also they are taking days time. Activities that require months. So months too. How much what activity is there in months time? Growing rice. We are making food only rice. Growing rice also their time. How much time required? Months. Building a house. House building also will require months. Completing a course. Suppose any course you are completing means they are taking months. Suppose any computer course or whatever. So that months only having that course. Working also they sometimes months. Making bricks also. Making bricks. So bricks making also how much time they want? Months. Making bricks also they want months. Seasonal fruits also in some months too only they are reading only seasonal fruits. And forming a baby forming also months only. 9 months only that baby forming like that. So all of you write this all activities you will write neatly. So write with pencil only children, no need to write pen. So this activity and this all write in your notebook too also. The next one, how much time does it take you to think? Think of their activities that require less than a minute of your time. Less than a minute. So what were things? Blink, snap, clap. You will write blinking only, snapping also. Snapping also less than 1 minute only. Clapping also less than 1 minute. Blinking and snapping, clapping. So next movie time. So they have movie time here. Surya is very excited today. Why? Surya is very excited. Today is the last day of his exam. So today is last day of his exam. His parents promised him that they would be going to watch a movie in the evening. So their parents will saying what they are saying. So exams finishing after, they are taking to cinema. They are taking to movie only. So here promised him that they would be going to watch a movie in the evening. So he reached his school at which time to there? See here. This is the hours hand. This is the minutes hand. Are you remember, children? This is the hours hand. This is the minutes hand. So which hour now? 9 hour. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. See here. He reached his school at 9 o'clock. He started writing his exam set. See here. He started writing exam. In which o'clock? Which time? So in small hand having near 10, long hand 12. So what is time now in this watch? 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. See here. He had 2 hours to write the exam. While writing the exam, he looked at the clock in his classroom to see how much time was left. See here, in this clock too they are watching. In some exam started also. So he is looking suddenly at watch side, clock side. Not watch, clock. Wall clock only. See here. So how much time having in this clock? So small hand near 11 and long hand 12. So 11 o'clock. So how much time did Surya have? So Surya to how much time have? 2 hours only exam. So already 1 hour finishing. And again 1 hour only he will have. He have 1 hour time. Surya finished writing his exam few minutes before 12 o'clock. And then he walked back home. After coming back from school, he kept looking at the clock. So Surya, his exam is finishing 12 o'clock and he walked back home some minutes only. See here. What is the time in the clock now? So here see. So how much time to? See here. Sorry. After coming back from school, he kept looking at the clock. So is 12 o'clock only exam finishing. Afterwards he come back to home. From school to home. So afterwards he is seeing in his house to only clock to watching. So how much time they are? Then in this watch to 1, 2, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. See here. Surya thought that they would leave her. Wait, children. Leave after 3 hours for movie. At what time will Surya leave his house? Which of the clocks given below is showing this? So in movie 3 hours only. So how much time? 3 o'clock. So 2 hours too you will calculate. 1, 2, 3. So till 5 o'clock only. Here 7. This is wrong. So this one is correct. So you will keep circle. 5 o'clock. The next one. Next page, children. Next page, see here. See in this time. So what is the time on the clock? Which time having here? 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. What was the time 5 hours ago? 5 hours ago, how much time? So here, 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. What will be the time after 4 hours? After 4 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock only. The next one, what is the time on the clock? This clock to 11 o'clock. What was the time? 3 hours ago. 3 hours ago. 1 hour ago 10 o'clock. 2 hours ago 9 o'clock. 3 hours ago 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So what will be time after 2 hours? After 2 hours. So now in this clock to 11 only. So 2 hours after 1 hour 12 o'clock. After 2 hours 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. So you will write all of you children. This also you will write. Okay children, all of you. Bunty is morning. Bunty is late. He looks clock while going to take a bath hurriedly. What is the time on the clock? See here, which time having here? 8 o'clock. See here. So here, which time having? 8:45 only. 8:45. Bunty reached school 15 minutes late. 15 minutes late means Bunty have reached school 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So in which time too they are reached? 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock only you will be right. The next one. Which of these clocks is telling the correct time in circle it? See here, 2 hours 5 minutes. So here in which clock to having 2 hours? So small hand near 2, long hand 1. So this one is 2 o'clock 5 minutes. 2 hours 5 minutes. See here, 4 o'clock 15 minutes. 4 hours 15 minutes. So 4 hours means small hand nearly 4. 15 minutes 3. Long hand 3. So this one. You will keep circle. This one? No. Don't confuse children. This one not. See here. Long hand only near 4 having. So but small hand only near 4. So this one is correct. 7:25. 7 hours 25 minutes. So this one only. You will circle it children. Remaining topic in next class too I will explaining now. So you will write all of you. Okay, bye all of you children. See here also. Wait, this bit also I will explaining. What is the time on this clock? See here, what is the time here? 10 hours. 10 hours. 5 minutes. See here too, this is minutes and only. See here, minutes and hours and you will check it and calculate first. 10, 15. So this is the minutes hand. 10, 15. So here, write properly children. So you will try remaining one. Okay. 7 no. 6:45. 6:45. Okay. 3 hours 15 minutes. So okay children, bye all of you.